Look at that sky. Isn't that cool? Dang. It finally cleared up. Okay, so I did a little shopping. Basically, I got enough food. Yeah, I got enough food. But I just grabbed some snacks at the dollar store. I grabbed a little something to drink while I'm doing laundry, because I'm just going to sit down to doing laundry and editing another video. I've actually been uploading a video, so I got another video coming up. I think it's one of my best ones too. There's some cool stuff in it. So hopefully everybody likes that. I am in, I think I already said this, I'm going to say it again. If I remember what town I'm in. Shoot. Oh, man. I'm still, well, put it this way. I'm still in Virginia. I'll be in Virginia for a long time yet. But I'm going down to do laundry. And it's a beautiful, I don't know. I mean, the town is poor and old, but the scenery and the wildlife is beautiful out here, and the people are cool. So you got that, right? But no, people are really cool here. Apparently it's easy to get a hitch out of town, and so we'll test that theory. See if they like old bearded guys, gray beards. Seems like I've been having a hard time getting a ride. I look a little rough. But it's like, you know, hikers, they're all college kids or military, retired military, or, you know, engineer types. So it's like, we're not trouble, that's for sure. I mean, and all these college kids, they're, they're not jocks or anything, but they're totally badasses, you know, for hiking this far. But they're just easygoing people. Easygoing, but hardworking. That's the kind of people I like to hang with. I smell the laundromat. Oh, it's right here. All right. I was like, I thought it was the next building, but I was like, I smell it. All right. So, trying to hitch a ride. 6 miles back to the trail. I thought it was only 2. My app says 2. It's actually 6. We've been out for about half an hour. And we got a nice spot because there's a nice little pullover right there. We were at the corner, but then a bunch of other hiker trash showed up. Got a ride. Back on the trail. More bridges. I love these little foot bridges. I guess that one, this one's for the brave, more brave people there. But it's almost like nature is mocking us. You know, it just dropped a tree there and like, there's a bridge. Why'd you build that thing? I got big climbs to do today. I feel fantastic though. This 3,000 footer is no joke. Jeez. I'm dying here. I think I'm getting close. I don't know. I see another peak over there. Oh man. But it's kind of cool. I mean, temperature wise. But the humidity is just off the charts. So, you know, it's just, I don't know. It's really tough. Tough. I saw a couple old friends. Knock knock. Or a few. I'm sorry. There's knock knock. Yo-yo. And Yukon Cornelius. They're faster than me, but they went to trail day, so they got a few days behind me. So I bumped into them again. Probably won't see them again. But those are good guys. A lot of fun. we had a lot of fun at the beginning. Quite a few places. So nice to see them again. Oh man, they kind of flew past me. Anyway, whew. And it's totally overcast and humid, and so the views aren't really spectacular. But I gotta get back to climbing. Well, I made it. Basically at cloud base, which means it's cold and wet. I can't see very far, but what I can see is pretty awesome. Well, that was a hell of a climb. And then they put us over another peak. And then, I mean, look at this. It's just gorgeous. There's a nice bald up here. Not just me. Although I need to shave big time. But I know they're going to put us over this monster behind me. Is that it? Yep, that's it. It doesn't look that big in this, but it's towering over me. And every time I see one like that, it's exactly where the stupid trail goes. Over every stupid peak. Oh wow, it's just, Virginia is gorgeous, it really is.